Last year, a state court jury had ordered Chevron to pay Plaquemines Parish $750 million for coastal damages dating back to 1980. Well, today, the oil company argued the $774 million verdict should now be voided and heard all over again in federal court. That is because earlier this year, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in a similar case that Chevron could have that case heard in federal court instead of state court. The governor and AG were there because they backed about 40 lawsuits filed by coastal parishes against big oil. David had asked Landry about the criticism he's received from fellow conservatives like former U.S. Attorney General Bill Barr.
We've actually come to a resolution with all of the major oil and gas companies except Chevron, yet they continue to come and spend millions of dollars on fancy lawyers that they bring from Washington, D.C. They pay for people like Bill Barr and others who've never been in Louisiana, who don't know what Louisianians have been through, and yet they want to criticize the things that we're doing when we're standing up for our environment, for our conservation, and for our people.
Now, the AG's office argued today that the U.S. Supreme Court decision only applied to a narrow situation from the other case related to the aviation gas production during World War II, and that Plaquemines' $774 million verdict against Chevron should stand. Now, a 3-judge panel will decide what happens.